Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something exciting and practical. How to withdraw your Shiba Inu tokens from Binance straight to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve, ensuring secure and seamless transfers. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the SHIB world, this step-by-step walkthrough will make it super easy. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account, some SHIB tokens in your spot wallet, and your Arculus wallet fully set up and ready to receive funds. Security is key, so double-check everything before we begin. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page. This is where all your assets are managed. Next, select Spot Wallet to view your available cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu. Step 2. Find Shiba Inu in your wallet overview. Click on it to open the details, then look for the Withdraw button. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Now, for Step 3, you'll need to enter your Arculus wallet address. Make sure you copy this directly from your Arculus app to avoid any typos. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive and one mistake could send your tokens into the void. Step 4. Specify the amount of SHIB you want to withdraw. Binance might ask for a network confirmation, like Ethereum's network, since SHIB is an ERC20 token, so select that if prompted. Review the fees and estimated arrival time. By 2025, these processes are even faster and more efficient. Step 5. Hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps. Binance will send a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. Once approved, your transaction will be processed, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Finally, Step 6. Open your Arculus wallet app and refresh to see your SHIB tokens arrive. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. A quick tip: always start with a small test amount to verify the address. And remember, in 2025, keep an eye on any updated regulations or wallet integrations for even smoother experiences. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.